Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your PNC online banking account from your computer. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your PNC account from your computer, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top, type in www.pnc.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official web page of PNC Bank, which looks like this. From the official web page, click on the sign on button at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see the login area. Enter your user ID in the first text box that you can see in the pop-up and head over to the next field where it says password and enter your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID, click on this Remember User ID box beneath User ID. But make sure to leave it unchecked if you are using a public device or a shared device for your security. In case you don't remember your user ID and your password, you can click on Forgot ID or Password link and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password or look for your registered user ID. Finally, once your credentials are correct and you're ready to log in, click the login button in blue and you'll be able to get access to your PNC online banking account right from your computer, quick and easy. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.